Before me, you see a tale of two poinsettias. We have your run-of-the-mill, boring poinsettia that everybody has in their house for Christmas, right? On this side, we have a glitter poinsettia. You guys, this is so easy to do that you have got to try it, because who wants a boring run-of-the-mill poinsettia in their house? Not you, I know it. So I went to Walmart. You guys, Walmart has this glitter spray in the glitter section. It was in the school supply section at my Walmart. It took me a while to find it. Anyway, I found it, and I sprayed this poinsettia with the glitter, and it just gives it something a little special. If it's underneath your Christmas tree, it's gonna really like reflect off of that glitter and give it kind of like highlight all the little parts and pieces of the poinsettia, which I really love. And really, like, from a design perspective, I love that it dulls down the super bright red of a traditional poinsettia. Now keep in mind that this is not going to stay forever. You're going to have to throw this poinsettia away. I think that the glitter probably suffocates out the leaves, and so this is just for if you keep poinsettias for the holidays and then get rid of them afterward. If you want to plant it outside, this is not going to work for you. So I just want to show you how it's done. It literally is like spraying your hair with hairspray. You guys know how to spray your hair? It smells like hairspray too, if I'm being honest. You shake it up really good, and you just move your hand along and spray. You can kind of see it going on there, and it actually gets a little shinier and glossier as it dries. It really smells like a hair salon in here right now. So just pretend like this is your hair, and you're just spraying it on like you would your hair. And you can give it a couple of coats. I've given this about 3 coats. I let it dry for a few minutes, and then I go back and add another layer. But of course, you can do it to whatever degree you want. This is 1 layer, and it's looking pretty good. It gets a little deeper and darker as each layer progresses, but I really like how this one looks. And you can variate the degrees, and so you can have 3 different slightly different colors, and that would look amazing in an arrangement inside your home. So you guys try this. I don't know if you try this. Steal my ideas, y'all. You need to steal my ideas for your holidays. Make it special. It's 2020.